accused.
Okay.
I have never filing the birth certificate.
Right.
Possible
45.
45.
This is what? Bill.
No, no,
482.
482. The sole accused challenge.
That suppose that the sole accused in the case has died, therefore, therefore the matter is only. Then it's not an appeal and it will not abate it. These are interim proceedings. Original proceeding will abate. These are 482 will not abate. Trial court you can say that, but 482 will not abate. Only appeal revision law goes to abate.
I'm trying to the abandon that charges has been challenged for compounding the offense in the view for the.
Now everything is gone.
That's well. That if you don't observe, then it will be proceeded. Otherwise, you get there talking.
If they are trying to file before trial court, he will call for a report from the IAC according to this.
I am right on 45. The petitioner. One minute. See, how many petitioners are there?
Challenge.
Okay. The petitioner, the sole petitioner who is put to have expired, had challenged the framing of charging, challenged the order by which the charges were framed against him. In view of the development, nothing survives in the matter. This disposal.
Next one, just to bring to also notice, item number 6. This is a case where the interim order is continuing.
Whenever the interim order is continuing, it will be listed immediately after the case. So many cases are large. Yesterday also many people ask for adjournment. I adjourn it and it listed in no more.
This is the case. My one friend has endeavored to list it with lot of difficulties. But what I suggest, this will take some time. This is not a case for Saturdays.
Who will be appealing for?
6 more.
Let them
only note it.
No, we will be down. Let him come. Okay. Yes.
Right. And the same.
Item 46, my lord. May item 46. My lord,
yes.
Item 46, my lord. That is wrongly 1771. That should be 1-2, lord. And another CLMC, my lord, 503 of 21. My lord, same cause of action, 2 FIR has been lost, my lord. So, lordship may say item 46, my lord.
46. You say that the matter which is tagged with this is wrong.
2, my lord, 1772 by 21.
1772 of 2011, huh?
11, my lord. And my lord, CLMC 503 of 21. That was quashed by this honorable court. That's why both the matters tagged together.
It's possible.
I'll pass the order. Then you send something here. I'll pass the order. Huh?
My lord.
After
vacation.
And
11.
And
my lord, 503 of 21.
yes.
CLMC.
Is there any interim order?
My lord, that has been quashed. Here, no interim order was passed because it was there, but somehow it has been vacated.
Okay. Got it. Yes.
Item 15 is
Item number 47, my lord.
1 minute. I'll they're restless. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
My lord, item number 47, my lord.
47. Yes. Yes, sir. What do you want?
In fact, I am in this. Well, can it be taken up in the first week of November?
Is there any interim order?
No interim order, my lord.
Okay. November. Okay. Yes. November.
No, can it be 11th? Can it be 11th, my lord?
11th November.
Sorry, my lord. Either 4th or 5th, my lord, of November, my lord.
5th November. Okay. 5th November.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 15 can take up after vacation.
1-5. 1-5, 1 minute. Dual application, why dual application you are asking for?
In fact, there is the difference with my.
You are sure that you will not be able.
All right.
Any mentioning? No.
But, same page note, item number,
Mr. Das is that today you are
after lunch. And then bring the lottery notice, which are short matter that should be taken up today. Item number 5, Lord. Both the matters in the mod is containing law. This is that matter. Both the senior councillors are arguing law.
Yes, yes.
I am also ready with that, but it will take some time, Lords.
let us see. I'll adjourn it, but let us. Okay. Yes.
Item 1.
Item 1 is permitted to.
Morning is good start.
After several adjournment.
Yes.
Item 2.
Right with your lawsuit.
Yes, sir.
My last occasion on Honorable Court was directed to take instruction whether sanction has been occurred in this case or not.
No, which order you are talking about?
I am challenging the order of a cognizance
No,
minor.
last order there is nothing. It is only
But that I have seen in net that order has not been uploaded. But Honorable Court instructed to take instruction whether
sanction is taken.
sanction has been occurred or not.
Yes. Do you have any?
But it's specifically mentioned that after obtaining sanction for the offence under section 25-27 Arms Act from the collector, madam. That is there, madam.
That's already there.
Collector.
Arms Act, no, 379. Sanction has not been obtained in this case, my lord. But petitioners who are working as one bus driver and others are two conductors, my lord. Though in the meantime,
Statute sometimes
679 and according to the ordinance obtained by the Lord and
they
Master.
are carrying, madam, the
No, not carrying. During discharge of duty, the informant got instruction some copper materials inside the bus compartment. Then they proceeded to the bus stop and they found some copper materials from the bus stop.
379.
379. Petitioners has no any.
And the third is how the petitioner
But some petition, all the
petitioners
petitioners
are driver of that bus, my lord, and conductor, my lord. They are so lying, my lord. They are risk. They can madam.
My lord, third case, how do you, these are not official duty. Look, you are the driver.
they were discharging OSRTC bus, my lord.
They are discharging, but they have committed theft. No, they are not part of the official duty.
That is duty. They were on duty.
They may be on the duty, but it's not part of the official function.
So they have been deployed by the OSRTC to discharge
To commit theft.
No, not to commit theft.
Whether the act complained of is coming under the color of duty.
They have no knowledge.
It doesn't come under the color of
My lord, they have no knowledge regarding such.
Those things has to be determined.
Some passengers are going and coming. They are loading. They are my lord.
That those things, that is your defense.
That is their liquid, my lord.
They are required, but how sanction is not required. Any other material you have, you tell me. Sanction not required. It doesn't come under the color of duty.
Regarding that, some judgments also I have raised.
Suppose some contraband ganja was carried. What will you do? You are the collector. Then you can't take the plea that
Because they are the employee of the corporation, they were discharging their duty, maybe contraband ganja, maybe any theft material sanction.
show me that. Exact on the facts.
This is not their duty, sir.
No, even if in Tuvisi's case, I am carrying one judgment, my lord, your lordship, even other judgments also, your lordship. In the meantime, matter already been settled. But even not, but if the informant not wanted to, is not wanting to,
So then let the informant be examined immediately and give a direction.
the informant is interested to appear before the Supreme Court.
That is why I mean,
No, you have challenged the cognizance of it.
My lord, may I permit, today I am facing one judgment, your lordship, even if it,
You can't give judgment on installment. If you give full judgment, if you are not prepared, I can it. But prepare and come, I am not satisfied. If you want to satisfy me,
your lordship complete.
if you are not prepared, it's all right. On
I'm telling you
the
judgment.
for the petitioner, adjourn it.
May I pray not to take any course action in the.
No. I am not satisfied. I am going to dismiss it. We are talking about thinking order. If you have anything on merit, you tell me. Sanction is not at all required. If the sanction is going around, then you don't have it.
Regarding that, I shall place judgments, my lord.
Simply adjourn. Yes. Next.
May I please?
Yes.
so the petitioner filed this application, my lord, seeking a direction to the range officer to release the vehicle in pursuant to the order of the learned session judge. Very simple, my lord.
What you directed to place on record some document. What are-
So that has, yes, my lord, I have submitted, already submitted.
what you did? Yes. Yes.
Certified copy and judgment I have submitted.
Yes.
And kindly have a glance, so only that judgment is squarely covered,
Which judgment?
that I have submitted.
Yes.
CLMC number 2301 of 23 and 26 common out.
Which part?
Last paragraph, my lord, last
part?
paragraph.
Last
For
part.
the forbidden therefore, both the criminal misdeeds are disposed by directing the consent.
For the foregoing reasons, therefore, both the criminals are disposed of by directing the concerned authority to release the vehicle in favor of the petitioner. So on the terms and conditions. Yes.
Subject to my lord,
What is the issue? This is the direction.
yes, my lord, that FAO is pending in my case, FAO is pending.
Hmm?
That's a FAO, I have preferred FAO.
See, this is judgment. What is the ratio in this judgment? Show me. Which part of the judgment? Might have been allowed, but what?
This is in this case, my lord, the vehicle in question is confiscated. Thereafter, they file that is pending, my lord, before there, my lord. Instead of my lord doing application there, my lord, state forward file application. Sessions court earlier, my lord. Prior to that, the director the
Confiscation proceeding is allowed in favor of the prosecution.
My lord.
If you will file the revision.
my lord.
Press that revision. Why you will come here?
No, revision, not revision, my lord. FAO is pending.
Yes,
my lord.
Okay.
Since this judgment is, this honorable party is honorable stated that
Show me which part. Even if FO is pending, the court can allow.
in last paragraph, this honorable.
Last paragraph says allowed, but you should tell me the facts of this case.
Entire judgment is called covered by me, my lord. And may lot to alone. No, what happened in this case, my
How you read a judgment which is last part? If you allow, give it. You have to tell me the fact of that.
in this case, my lord, my
In the judgment which is, 1 minute, in the judgment which you are relying upon,
Yes.
passed by Honorable Justice Shashikant Mishra,
yes, my lord.
which part of the judgment says that to be even the FO is pending, the court can allow it. You show me.
Last part, only last part.
No, last paragraph doesn't say that. Last paragraph doesn't say that.
Chutti pore asu, chutti pore asu.
You have not prepared.
No.
You show me in the, what are the facts of that case?
In that case,
Where does it say? Where does it say that the FO is? Even FO is pending, 457 application can be allowed. Where is the issue?
Assessment of BTS. Assessment ano? Assessment of So dealing with the judgment of assessment, the honorable court has allowed that.
This judgment will not help you.
Basing upon the Sundarbans
It will only say when the confiscation is proceeding is pending, as an interim measure, 457 application can also be allowed giving interim custody to you. That is what the judgment says. You have not read the full judgment. One confiscation proceeding is confirmed.
No, not confirmed. Pending.
No, now FIR is pending.
FIR is pending.
No. Confiscation is already met. But the judgment doesn't allow. That doesn't apply to you. Just see para 4 of the judgment. Para 4. Mr. Vishal and counsel for the state, huh? On that premises the order was passed. You are not prepared, it seems. You are not prepared. You are not prepared. The judgment will not help you. Okay. Then counsel for the petitioner seeks an adjournment. As he has not prepared the case, it's the matter. December. Yes.
That you can see judgment dated
Yes.
13/9/2024, my lord.
13/9.
13/9/2024, my lord. Convicted under section 13(2), reduce the section 13(1) with Prevention of Corruption Act, my lord.
Yes.
Arrive period of 2 years and a fine of 1 lakh, my lord.
This is appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Sentence is 2 years.
2 years.
PCR is called for. Realization of the fine amount is also stated. Yes.
Mr. Rizvi's name,
Bail fell.
Mr. Rizvi's name will reflect in the constitution.
My lord, the deposition copy, my lord.
Huh?
Deposition copy. that's how it-
Don't give like no, yes. Bail realization of PCR called for. Okay.
Okay, sir. Oh, bloody.
This is that the informal is continuing and both the matters, both the seniors are being very honestly notes. I know the matters to arguing lot. Let it not be a case for Saturdays. And Monday or any other day.
My lord, just kindly for a moment. My lord, my case is, I am not the custodian. There is a case of 468/401. So my, I guess.
You are enjoying interim order. Today
I
Saturday.
don't have interim order, my lord. My lord,
You say comedy is not good for you. You want to take this, let's take this.
I am a old man of 73 years old, almost. My lord, the whole issue is this.
Barring only Mr. Das has mentioned. That's not good for Mr. Mapatra's client. If you want to take risk, take risk.
One thing last occasion I was submitting, my lord, with regards to. No. For you.
I got the instruction. I'm ready. Make it, but it take some time.
On a joint request, we sit, entering order to continue immediately after vacation. Give a date where we can hear it.
It can be finished.
And let us keep it at 3 o'clock so that.
No, yes,
Only
it's a date.
3 to 4 legal questions only. Lordship, just I will submit on. Very short submission will be 2 minutes each. 4 questions only.
Go ahead.
Restless illusion, sir.
Okay.
Item 6.
No, it will not. Now, the petitioner is the housewife of the principal accused person, namely Prashant Rautara, in the Villas case law. And her name was not reflected in the FIR. Subsequently, her name added as the accused person in the final formula.
Yes.
Therefore, she filed a petition.
Against the discharge application, my learned friend has preferred this one. I told the instruction, but I put on record my appreciation. My learned friend practically drafted this one, keeping a lordship judgment on one side. Why say so, my lord? In paragraph 9, my wife is always different than the whole other way. And even the relationship to husband, the lordship language, and in the possession capacity,
You picked up those sentences in court.
like comments of
The case where she doesn't have her own defense. Then she is covered by that judgment.
no, that also I will find out whether it is a infamous asset not for the IOM lords. That I'll come back to lordship.
Only that much you say.
Two good points in his favor also. The main accused, my lord, is having a blood cancer now, and the petitioner before also have a legal problem.
Okay.
The lodgement, it's a dead full, I'll come back to lodgement.
Immediately after vacation, immediately.
interview madam bill.
Interview walker,
Immediately, I'll hear it in future. Meantime, the declaring counsel for the petition appropriate application for the trial court, seeking an adjournment owing to the fact that the matter is substantially for this court. You have an application, get ready, I'll hear it and finish it up.
My lord, interview.
I have given that.
application for it.
You move on. If you are covered by that judgment, then finish it up.
Only I'll get instruction whether he has separate income or not.
Yes.
Whether the income was assessed and all, I'll get it from my own notes.
Yes.
But so far the petitioner, as it, if it is accepted as in total lots, is absolutely squarely comes within the domain of lordship judgments.
Yes.
The principal already decided.
Therefore, I'm putting it immediately after vacation.
My lord.
Yes.
Item 7.
Yes.
Challenging the framing of charge, the petitioner has filed this application, your lordship. In the case, your lordship, the petitioner was not named in the FIR, your lordship.
Hmm.
He is the chief engineer.
Hmm.
A planning committee formulated a plan regarding the entire state
Yes.
to procure some implements to provide safe drinking all the citizens, your lordship.
One immediate system. Sita kinala puno.
Pardon?
Buda kinala in the system.
But 120 is there.
That was communicated to all the authorities, your lordship. One of the members of the planning committee, chief engineer of the state, your lordship.
Hmm.
The executive engineer who floated the tender and procured the implements, your lordship, there was some misappropriation. These superintendent engineers are not an accused. Neither I was named in the accused list, your lordship, in the SI. But ultimately, charge sheet was filed against me, implicating
Let us see what are the.
neither I was in the SI, your lordship. The charge sheet was filed much after my retirement.
Let us see what are the allegations. All these things will not help you unless you show me that there is no allegation against you. If allegations are there, then
Your lordship, that the charge sheet, page 54, your lordship.
No, wait, this is only for the first time. I will take instruction only the charge sheet. It totally indicates that market price of the electro system, they paid 40,72,000, and in that process, which is 21 lakhs more than the market price. He was in that particular group, and
decision maker or the decision making process.
he is in the committee, and in the state committee is there, that
120 is there.
Along with the other superintendent said that I'll come back to the government plan, your lordship, for the entire state.
it's coming to instruction.
Come to the charge sheet, where are the allegations against you? What is your name? Panigrahi. What's your Panigrahi?
Your lordship, I am Prashant Kumar Pandey.
What are the allegations against you in the charge sheet?
Your lordship, page 54, your lordship.
Yes. And there,
Investigation details, the third part, your lordship.
at the top, investigation reveals that Prashant Kumar
And
Panigrahi.
the chief, ex-chief engineer, RWSS Orissa, formed the expert technical committee, filed his office letter number such and such, under the chairmanship of Sri Tarakanta Mishra, SC RWSS Circle Barampur, consisting of Sri Yoganand Mahapatra and such as vice chairman, convener, and other SCC and RWSS department to examine various technical options available in respect of rural water supply treatment plan, and these instructions recommended desirable technical options to be made in the rural piped water supply in the state. Accordingly, the meeting of the expert committee was held on 15/10/2007 in the office of SC RWSS Planning, Monitoring, Designing, Investigation Circle, Bhubaneswar, and the report of the committee was submitted to the Chief Engineer of the RWSS Bhubaneswar on 27/10/2007 on the basis of all the superintendent engineering of RWSS Circle, executive engineers of all the RWSS.
You have participated in two levels. First of all, you have formed the committee.
Yes.
Then the report was submitted before you.
Yes.
And you have accepted the report. and acted upon that.
I communicate whatever.
What is the allegation?
Let me explain, Lord, sir. A planning, a committee was formed. I understand, but you don't expect everything, Your Lordship. Whatever I want to submit it to you, you are, see, committee is constituted by you. Report it, I will be writing to you. You are going to be there. Lordship. I, being the part of the committee, I circulated the recommendation of the committee to all the parts of the state, Your Lord.
Going further, but is waiver obtained and asked the technical committee to analyze the rate of the electro fluorimeter. Thereafter, the Panagay instructed all the executives further so.
This letter was communicated.
From the committee, you accepted the report, you gave instruction to everyone, then regulate without analyzing the cost of the
I communicated the report to the committee to all executive engineers to procure, Your Lordship. They have accepted the advertisement. They have accepted the content, Your Lordship. They procure from the market, Your Lordship.
That's kind of education.
In fact, therefore, she finally instructed all the executive engineers in charge of RWS which are his office letter number such and such to procure the electrofluorimeter for their RPW scheme and to act according to the suggestion given in the report of technical expert committee held on 15/10/2007. In the office of superintendent engineer, RWS Bhubaneswar, in the office of the superintendent engineer, in violation of 84 such and such by not taking the approval from the government and encourage all the executive engineers going to huge scale procurement of electrofluorimeter, hence Prashant Kumar Pandey, chief engineer, is liable for the above lapses. Investigation for the
entire charge sheet is directed against you only.
no, Lordship.
And next paragraph is also allegations.
And Your Lordship,
These are the things which has to be tested there in tribunal. I can't interfere.
Lordship, let the matter be adjourned to another date, Your Lordship. I will satisfy Your Lordship. I don't have any implications, Your Lordship. All the materials are.
I am here to hear you out now. Only one I heard. I take only 5 minutes to understand.
Another thing.
That's not satisfied. I'm not satisfied.
Next, definitely I will satisfy Your Lordship. I don't have any implication in this case.
All the best for next week. All the allegations are directed against you. 120 is there. So better that you try and find out what is the best relief you can take from this proceeding. Think over. Yes.
Lordship, yes, Lordship, but he is in custody. Custody is 20 to 124 million.
20
to 124.
to 124. Okay.
Being charged seated in a case of section 302, 147, 148, 294, 341, 379, 149 of IPC mail. FR lodged against 10 persons mail. And the statement of witnesses revealed that there was a previous dispute between the deceased Bhagavan Pradhan and the co-wife to Bhagavat Pradhan regarding the business dispute mail. On 19/1/24 million at about 12 p.m., there was a quarrel between them. Deceased out of fear went away in a motorcycle. Bhagavat Pradhan, the principal accused Miller, told Jukko alias Bansanidhi Pradhan to restrain him. Thereafter, it is alleged that the principal number 1 and her husband and son Vijay Pradhan tied her in a rope. After Bhagavat ran over a tractor over the deceased Miller. Bhagavat is the principal accused. I am closing my law. One statement of Gopal Krishna Pradhan. Bhagavan Pradhan और भागवत प्रधान ଭିତରେ ବହୁ ଦିନର ଶତ୍ରୁତା ତାଙ୍କ ବେପାରକୁ ନେଇ ଲାଗି ରହିଥିଲା।
ସରସ୍ୱତୀ ପ୍ରଧାନ ମାଲା ତେଣୁ ରାତି ରିଲିଭେଣ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ ରାତି 11ଟା ସମୟରେ ମୋ ପୁଅ ଭଗବାନ ଆସି ଭାଗବତ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଘର ସମୟରେ ପାଟି କରିଥିଲା। ପୂର୍ବ ଯୋଜନା ଅନୁସାରେ ଭାଗବତର ଭାଇ ସୋମନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଶ୍ରୀନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଶ୍ରୀନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ ଶ୍ରୀନାଥ ପ୍ରଧାନ sir, on others are there, ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ ନେଇ ପଳେଇ ଯିବାରୁ ଭାଗବତ ଗୌରବ ମାଂସାନଦୀ ପ୍ରଧାନକୁ ଫୋନ କରି କହିଲା ଯେ ଭାଗବତ ତା ଗାଡିରେ ଯାଉଛି, ତାପରେ ଆଗରେ ତାକୁ ଅଟକାଇ ତାକୁ ଆଜି ମାରିଦେବା। ମୋ ପୁଅକୁ ତାର କଳା ରଙ୍ଗର ବାଜାଜ ପଲ୍ସର ଗାଡି ଯାହାର ନମ୍ବର କୁ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଝିଲି ପ୍ରଧାନ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପିକ୍ସନ ବାଲା ପ୍ରଧାନ ପୁଅ ବିଜୟ ପ୍ରଧାନ ମିଶି ତା ମୁହଁକୁ ଟର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଲାଇଟ ପକାଇ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ବାଉଁଶ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଅଟକାଇ ଥିଲେ, ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ମୋ ପୁଅ କିଛି ଜାଣିନପାରି ଗାଡି ସହ ଜୋରରେ ପଡି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ତାପରେ
पहला केस Lordship, petition number, I am placing my lord. Petition number 1, my lord, may kindly not place.
पिक्सन वन तो टर्च किरा गट केला
Not place. Not place. Petition number 2, may kindly be considered, my lord. No allegation. My lord, consider both as being both. You have participated. Your name is there, but I will go where please and Bhagavad Pradhan is the principal accuser. Bhagavad Pradhan is he ran about the all of the cause of the death. No, you will participate. Complication could have been possible. I ran over the vehicle. Yes, next. I will be charge submitted. Submitted to move that for bail. The petitioner seeks to withdraw the present bail application to remove the bail for the 201 on 22/34. No eyewitness to the occurrence. Petitioner is agreed by the order dated 2/4/2024. Subsequently to the charge sheet has been filed in the present case on 7/7/2024. In the changing circumstances, petitioner seeks to remove the bail for trial court. This shall be considered on the material form part of the charge. Yes, next. Admittedly, there was no eyewitness to the occurrence. It tell the test. Yes, I took 80 million. Lordship, only permitted to withdraw and to move before the law court will be allowed. Same thing, yes. Well, it has been examined in the way. Where is that statement? You are in custody since? I am in custody since January. I have stated the date of custody is 29th or 30th. 29th of January. 29th of January 2020. Yes. Where is that statement issue? What is it? 18 years. Okay, it's there. It's there. It has come. It has come. 6. I love 6. Okay. Your Lordship may see the cross-examinations. Paragraph 5. You were in relationship. Okay. Next. He said that we were loving. Yes. We were loving with each other. And yes. Paragraph 5 says she is into. What is your age?
At the time of occurrence, my lord, she was 17 years old.
No, what is your age?
My age, my lord, is
23. Hello. I'm granting. He said that they were in love relationship. 23 was boy, but 1918.
तो फोटोड़ा सीज करते ले
but my lord, the video has been viral by the accused, my lord.
Oh, so the photo जो है. That part we have to.
My lord, PW6,
yes. I am crossing
6 line, my lord. 6 line.
See, the problem is this boy is 23 years, man. Might be 22 that time. And you are now 18, she must be 17. And you are in relationship. Okay. You have taken photograph, it's all right. But whether those things were seized by the police. Anything
My lord, cross-examine. Already
in fact,
It's a fact that the video recording which was done by accused Saroj was in the mobile phones of accused Saroj and myself. It is a fact that if the video was not made viral, I filed any FIR. Om Sairam Behra is my younger brother. At the time of occurrence, he was prosecuting studies in class 7, Krishnamurti World School, Pratapnagar.
in the month of October 2023, I along with my mother had been to Aadhaar card center for bringing a SIM card. And as Aadhaar card of my mother was in our house, we sent one Bisad of our village to bring it from our house. My younger brother also knew the password of my mobile phone. When
examiner for 164 statement recorded.
Yes, read it.
Janes Lima.
James.
तापर एकुटिया एमजी जाइथिली सेठारे मो जॉइन काम करंती किंतु सेठारे मो जानिबा पाइली जे जॉइन सेटर काम सारथिले खाली सोई पड़ली रात्रि प्राय 3टा बेले नानी मते उठाला कहला कि जॉइन एपर आसना दी तापर नानी कार्तिक को फोन करथिले कार्तिक हम समस्त भल से जानिलु ता सब मिसी करी काम करथिला ताको फोन करथिला पर नानी सब कथा हलु किछ समय परे कार्तिक घर को आसला कार्तिक को मिसी करी खोजा खोजी भाई बाहरलु आमे दुई जन पुणी एमजी ढाबा गलु सेठारे ज्वाई आसी नांदी बोली कहले तापर रायगढ़ रेलवे स्टेशन गलु सेठारे ताको मध्य पाइल नाही तापर आमे एमजी ढाबा मालिक घर गलु किंतु सेठार ज्वाई को चप्पल थिबार सेठार पेसलु तापर आमे साई प्रियानगर को गलु सेठारे कुकुड़ा फार्म लाइन पाखरे मोर ज्वाई कर देखिलु मो नानी को जनैली मोर ज्वाइन के पाख कार्तिक रिपिटिशन कार्तिक फोन करथिला किंतु उभय एम्बुलेंस आसला स्टाफ पहुंचला देखिले कहले जे एटा मर्डर होईची और देयर आर मर्डर हाउ यू रिलेट कार्तिक मर्डर हिज कन्फेशनल स्टेटमेंट recorded my lord his confessional statement recorded in the confessional statement my lord he confessed his guilty and my lord lead the police and gave recovery of the offense.
Literally report the police.
People will recover the that is my one sister back from the letting be discovered and seizure my lord seizure is there my lord.
Except that nothing.
My other was there my lord. Lasting theory there my lord. Lasting theory there.
Because the same Karthik was accompanying the brother-in-law of the deceased for searching
accompanying the brother of the deceased and what happened the Karthik having an extramarital relationship with the wife of the deceased my lord and both of the owned somewhere else my lord. They both taken liquor my lord. Thereafter this man
where are those story reflecting from the evidence?
But that is the matter. Somehow his confession statement and leading this with their mother. That other evidence matter there mother.
Yes. Tell me what.
पढ़ करो बाने की जे ताकि सोचा दोस्तों स्वीकार कर जो थाना का लदियों इसका करे तो मतलब that is सोरेन प्रतिका and another matter संग्राम शेखर साहू संग्राम शेखर पढ़ दो.
What is the offense of weapons?
Matter the one with a rod matter. Rod.
Or corresponding injuries?
Corresponding there matter. Head injury or head injury there matter. अब पढ़ी बोलते स्टडी. संग्राम शेखर साहू मते कार्तिका 3 मास सुप्रिया नगर गोटे भड़ा घर रही आज की 17/11/23 दिन चांदिली थाना आईसी समूह बयान देउछि जे मो खलुडा गाम कार्तिक को 6 मास होते जे कार्तिक प्राय 3 मास पूर्व कहथिला जे मते कौनसी दुकान रखिबा को मो तापर ताकू गोटे बजरंग रंग दुकान को देखै दैथिली गत 15 दिन रात्रि 10टा मिनिट समय कार्तिक मते फोन कला तू सुप्रिया नगर थिबा पडिया को आसीबो कहला मो ता पाखु प्राय राति 12 रे गली मो गला कार्तिक आउ जी मर्डर होती दुई जन साइप्रिया नगर फिल्म रे बसी मदद करते मते से गोटे बियर देले मुझे अधा पीली कार्तिक हाथ में किसी गोटे कागज गुड़ाई जो ओपन अफेन्स गुड़ा से मुझे पचारि कौन धरच बोली सी मत कहला से कैलेंडर धरची बोली मुझे कहली डेरी है मो घर को जाऊँगी सकाल शुणिली सुप्रिया नगर काली रात मदद करता लोक मर्डर हो जाए बोली लीडिंग डिस्कवरी also there leading discovery there
how will you get out of it?
and leading discovery also there mala
Your Lordship may kindly see the evidence of T11.
When he was examined?
Kind of something.
When he was examined?
On 6th May 24.
After my lord, the
Let the trial court examine the evidence. Right up. It is examined by the order dated 15/4/2024.
Yes, sir.
Very clear to the witness. Material witnesses have been examined.
Point 12.
Yes.
The co-accused has been released on.
Oh, all these things are, I'll try to record that. Pursuant thereto, the
And the
material
physical
witnesses are examined.
witness-
In the meantime, co-accused has already been enlarged on bail. Enlargement. The counsel for the petitioner therefore seeks parity with the co-accused and press for bail. I'm not inclined to enlarge the petitioner on bail at this stage. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to remove the bail fee.
Your Lordship may
And the
kindly
case
see
is happened.
only one.
Yes.
T11. Ticket that one.
All these things will be seen by the trial court. I can't examine everything. There are evidences. There are evidences. Not that.
Only about suspicion, nothing else than that.
No, no. He is. Last thing we have seen.
so they are. This was the
Last thing is now proved on record.
Doctor stated that this you can
Single witness and
they are well.
That is why I was submitting leading to discovery is not there in his deposition. T11.
let the trial court do it. Trial courts are also there to do it.
Once it goes from here,
No, no, I'll 15 days. 15 days. If such bail application is good, same shall be considered within 15 days from the date of moving the same. All the evidence will be there, they will examine. Yes. 14. Yes.
Committed also 3762 and 6 of Posco Malor. Additional custody since 2 for 24 Malor. 24 Malor.
Okay.
Case of allotment, board fled from the village and reside different place. After paucity of funds, they came to their village and thereafter the mother of
164, read 164.
May I please? গত বর্ষ অক্টোবর মাসটার ମୁଁ କୁବେର ପାତ୍ର ସୁହାଂଶ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲି ଗତ 22/19 ତାରିଖ ରାତିରେ ଆମ ଉଭୟ ଗାଁ ଛାଡି ତାମିଲନାଡୁ ଚାଲିଗଲୁ ସେଠାରେ ଆମେ ବିବାହ କଲୁ ଏବଂ ଏକ ଭଡା ଘରେ ନେଇ ସେଠାରେ ରହିଲୁ ସେଠାରେ ସେ ମୋ ସହିତ ଅନେକ ଥର ଶାରୀରିକ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଲୋକ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫୋନ କରି ଆସିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ଏବଂ ଆମେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବିବାହ କରିଦେବୁ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଗତ 19/19 ତାରିଖ ଦିନ ଆମେ ଉଭୟ ଗାଁରେ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଲୋକ ତାଙ୍କୁ ରଖିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ ନେଇ ଆମ ଘରେ ଛାଡିଦେଲେ
That's all. No viral, nothing.
and from the medical examination report is just denied for medical examination report.
Since 2019, he is absconded and arrested while only 2 for 2024. For that reason, Lordship adjourned and asked him to let the victim examine.
No, we did not examine my lord.
That is no, if there is no such order, but in
You absconded, that's the
after for
problem.
about 5 years.
5 years, my lord.
Prosecutor is already been examined?
No,
There is an order, 6/9/2024.
The whether examined or not examined.
I said
Yes, it tells us no examined, not examined. Other case.
And first witness, let the prosecutor be there.
Conceptual.
When you are absconding, but that's the problem. As a first witness,
Another
the
case, my lord,
prosecutor may be.
during my this panel, my lord, I have first time seen that this petitioner will be similar cases. My lord.
No, no,
Arrested
it-
376 also.
No. That is the type.
How many cases?
Same.
How many cases?
And the co-accused, my lord.
Let the victim prosecutrix be as a first witness, and thereafter remove the bail plea. Yes, next.
16.
Yes.
Wait. 76. Boy is aged about 19 years. Boy is aged about 19 years.
Yes.
And 11/4/2024. 2024.
Yes.
Initially, FR was section 354A 506. But
See, read 154.
My lord, last time, see the photographs, that is seal cover.
The next one.
But this is not the only thing, is, the boy has committed other wrongs.
If you have anything, if I have anything, you tell me.
161st statement is recorded by the victim. Yes, in the court. And charge sheet is already.
What does he say? They were in relationship. Looking at the photograph, it looks like.
Charge sheet is already. And the girl is executing her studies and her examination is in February. And once this boy comes out on bail, he will create a lot of trouble.
That condition may be included in your policy.
ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଉକ୍ତ କେସରେ ଯାଉଛି ସଚାନ ସଚ ଆଗରୁ ପ୍ରତାପ ସହିତ କଥା ହୋଇଥିଲି। ସେ ମୋର ସ୍କୁଲରେ ସିନିୟର ଥିଲା। ସେ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ମାସରେ ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଘରକୁ ଆସିଲେ। ସେ ମତେ ଦିନେ ଡାକିକି କହିଲେ ମୋ ସହିତ
May I please your lordship?
yes
My lord. Whether this petitioner is in custody, my lord, since 1st February 2023, it's more than 1.5 years, my lord. The offence alleged against him under section 302 IPC, although 302 is not at all applicable, my lord. The deceased, who is an old lady, the middle-aged lady, she had the prosecution case, my lord. I'm narrating. She had gone to collect firewood to a nearby place from a tree, my lord. And she was found hanging by means of a sari or by means of a ligature material. She was found hanging by his relations. Thereafter, the matter was intimated to local police. The local police during investigations found that the lady has committed suicide. But subsequently, an evidence was created, and it was fabricated that this petitioner. Yes, this petitioners might have, my lord, there is no
See, 1 minute, have you gone through the deposition?
deposition also that the one son of the deceased my lord, though he has seen the accused my lord, and from the spot he went away, and subsequently my lord, also identified that accused. The son has not been examined, my lord. His 164 statement, let the son, my lord,
Let the son be examined.
Your lordship, one second, my lord. The doctor in the meantime has been examined. Your lordship knows, and my friend Mr. Robert, my lord, knows also that whenever a death is homicidal death, this is a case, my lord, the doctor said that lady has committed suicide. Even if the doctor son will come and say that I have seen my mother was killed, the doctor in the paragraph 14, my lord, says
11 years of age, my lord.
That witness is very vital.
You 164 statement. Let him
Opinion is that death is due to suffocation. And another one question that Prashant Kumar.
I tell you, the son whose statement under 164 CRPC has been recorded,
yes.
he is a vital witness to the prosecution. Let him be examined. Thereafter, you may remove a bail plea.
And I have provided the statement of the witnesses, my lord. One thing
I have seen it. I just saw that.
Only my respect to submission, my lord. Can there be a conviction under section 302 when the death is suicidal in nature? Even if the witness says I have killed him, the doctor said that no, he has committed suicide, my lord. How can there be a conviction under section 302? How my friend will say that there is a prima facie case under section 302? Suppose the eyewitness will say I have killed him, and the doctor says no, this is a case of suicide. How can we have response to 302, my lord? Whosoever causes a homicidal death, my lord. Section 300 says, my lord, that if it is a death, is homicidal. Doctor says it is not a statement.
Yes.
only allow this evidence.
Another person before whom he has made confession, extrajudicial confession, that is Prashant Kumar Sinha. That also
Accepting everything, I have made a judicial confession, I have made extrajudicial confession, accepting everything. Suppose a case under section 302 is made out by the witnesses. The doctor says, no, this is a case of suicide. So, my lord, and there be a conviction.
Another thing, my lord, all are stated that when they seen the deceased, the deceased was tossed to the ground.
Son who
Where is the doctor's evidence? Where are you seeing? Where the
doctor is PW12, my lord. PW12.
Bring it up.
Yes, my lord. PW12, my lord. PW12, my lord. Para 4, your lordship, kindly see. The death of the deceased seems to be suicidal in nature.
Seems to be.
Yes.
That it seems to be.
Yes, my lord.
It's not a definite opinion, and the opinion of doctor saying that it seems to be suicidal in nature.
Yes,
do you have an eclipse over all the evidences which have come on record?
Your lordship, kindly see page 15, the FIR, my lord. ମୁଁ ଅଧା ବାଟ ଯାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ମୁହଁରୁ ଗାମୁଛା ଦେଇ ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳାଇଲା ମତେ ଦେଖି ଲୋକ ନାଲି ଆଖି ଦେଖାଇଲା ବଟ୍ ହି ଡଜଣ୍ଟ ସେ ମି ଯୋଉ ଲୋକଟି ଦେଖି ତାକୁ ନାଲି ଆଖି ଦେଖି ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଳେଇଲା ଯାହାକୁ
let these two witnesses be examined. We'll see.
pardon
Let this. Petitioner is agreed by the order dated 15/4/2024, whereby his bail plea has been rejected. Meanwhile, the witnesses, writing witnesses, many of the writing witnesses have been examined, barring the evidence of the minor son for the deceased, who is stated to be an witness and a witness before whom extrajudicial confession was let these two witnesses be examined, giving preference over all other witnesses. Thereafter, the petitioner may review the bail. Yes.
May I pray? I have a small prayer, my lord. Your lordship may simply say, my lord, the petition, the matter may be listed after examination of some witnesses.
No.
Any reason assigned by your lordship, my lord, that may impact the trial because the trial is on. Your lordship may simply say,
There's nothing to impact. I am only simply saying give preference and examine these two witnesses. That's all. I am only saying that give preference over all other witnesses. Examine these witnesses. That is good for you.
Because that may.
Yes.
Lordships, sometime after vacation, Lordship.
Okay, sir. Yes.
19, my lord.
Yes.
Last occasion, lordship directed for the personal appearance of the IO and IOC. IO was not present because he was transferred to Sonar, but the present IOC is present. Why? Because my lord, 3 letters was issued from our office to provide the case diary. In spite of what is happening,
What is happening, sir?
Bachkund.
my lord. What is it?
What is your explanation? If the people will not after you, it's your job. Once they give letter, you have to do it. That's all. We are not under your mercy. Why have you not given? 3 letters he has given. What is this going on? Huh? Sorry?
This should be.
When you should have asked, अपना आगे भी पूरे का उपचार कैसे होगा? ସେମାନେ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କଲେ ଆପଣ ବି ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହୁଏ ତାହେଲେ this is the attitude then the high courts are pressurized because of your lethargy and this will not be up to you. They are not your employee. You have to give instruction immediately. Do you want any action to be taken against you? What is this?
And personally, also I make phone call say that there is no such instruction. Well, which instruction you want? Inspector letter was.
Once I also contact over from he stated that SP officer asle am debu not debu. But that is
Do you want that your SP should be here?
some cases my lord pending my lord before this one report my lord before your lordship my lord only because my lord Bachkund case not sending the
You file an affidavit.
yes sir.
You file an affidavit in what circumstances you have not given.
Bachkund case ଟା ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ଉଠୁଥିଲା।
Suspend he time ସେ ଗଣନା ପାଇଁ suspend he seven cases my
You file an affidavit.
Let DA case arresting ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ପରା ତାଙ୍କ INC ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ DA case ରେ arresting ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ INC
they are not suspending.
Okay. Think this. Have you ever contacted this gentleman?
My lord, on 11/9/2024, letter was issued. On 9/9/2024,
କେବେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ? ନାଇଁ ବହୁତ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। 25 ଅଗଷ୍ଟରେ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ
11/9 ଯାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଚିଠି 19/9 ଚିଠି ଯାଇଛି ଦେନ୍ ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ପର୍ସନାଲି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଯାହା କରିବେ
ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାଇଁ ପାଇଛ? କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣଟା ପଠଉଛନ୍ତି? କେବେ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି?
ରେକର୍ଡ କାଲି ଆସିଲେ ଆଜି ପର୍ସନାଲ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଅଛି ବୋଲି କାଲି ଆସିଛି।
personal affairs is later yes now. This is very
Common cases are not sending the case criteria.
Yesterday matter was there, my lord Machkund. I have also kept for Monday because yesterday I have submitted the
give an affidavit. explaining the reason for delay. And in how many cases the High Court has called for the record, and how many cases you have given it, in how many cases you have file an affidavit. Affidavit and file and go. I'll record it.
6 to 7 cases while pending before also.
This is what's happening. In other courts also the same thing might be happening.
Some things, sir.
Don't do that, sir. People's liberty is at stake. We file an affidavit, we'll see. File an affidavit, we'll see what can be done. Here, up to the minutes.
আপনার অবশ্য ছুটিটা কালি আসছে দেখি না যে আপনার
দেখি দিয়েছে দেখি okay, after vacation you file an affidavit pursuant to the where is that order?
My order dated 26/9/24.
26/9/24. 26/9. Where is that order? You not uploaded it. Give me that. Upload it to Hon'Ble. Mr. Yeva upload. Pursuant to the order dated 26/9/2024. Upload na karo? Sidama? Sukram Mali. Mr. Sukram Mali, IICFO, marksman police.
Not IS minor. Officer in charge.
OICFO, marksman police station has appealed from the query from the court. He submits that although he is IPS in court and render explanation regarding the reason for non-filing of non-supplying of the instruction to the state council. Mr. Mishra and Mr. Raghunath and counsel for the state APS submits that in many cases, particularly from this police station, instructions are not coming regularly. As a result of which matters are being urgent.
In spite of a letter issued from
the repeated letters and phone call made by the state council are not being paid any hit to, not being paid any hit in view of the same. The OIC who is present in the court is directed to file an affidavit explaining as to why the delay in furnishing the information, furnishing the instruction is taking place, and what are the measures to be taken in the future so as to furnish the instruction as soon as possible, as quick as possible to the state council. State council. It's to file an affidavit. Yes.
SP also directed to monitor all those things.
And copy of this order may be communicated to the SPFO, which Koraput district, SP Koraput district. ठीक है फाइल को एफआईआर जान मैटर एफआईआर लिखिए आगु को कौन करिए अपन आगु को जदि आपनकर स्टेट का एडवोकेट आपन को जदि इंस्ट्रक्शन मागुछन आपन केमति करिवे ताको एटा कहीं भी ना से लिखिए और आगु को को प्रकार आपन इंस्ट्रक्शन आसले केमति आपन जिंस भी लिखिए ठीक अछि ओके मैटर एजेंट टू नेक्स्ट yes and tell him how to he has to file affidavit through you only right you are not लेंगे को आपन सुन दो आपन रगड़ा जो कोर्ट पर मिशन तो एफिडेविट एमन बनेंगे आपन तो प्राइवेट एडवोकेट करके देंगे ना एमन बनेंगे एक्सटेंशन देबो आगे की लिखिए
he does not know how to manage dealing with the government council. He always saying that I can't call the person.
You have to explain because it is a link of exposure maybe. It's a case of link of exposure. You have to make them aware. Instead of being harsh and taking action and spoiling their career, maybe they are innocently they might be doing it. Don't take any action. Simply make them aware so that he will share his experience to his fellow police.
Exactly.
So that things will be, all in line. That's a better idea. Maybe, yes.
मतलब अर्जेंट तो आफ्टर वैकेशन
हाँ 22 दिन पर
Okay, I just
अब इतने दिन से वाला बेटा
neighbors. So he was playing along with the deceased. Last scene is the only evidence against him. Thereafter, the child has disappeared. Then they had gone fishing. And thereafter, he says his stand is he has brought him back. And thereafter, they say that.
Custody since? Custody since?
24. Custody since 23/8/22.
24, sir.
24.
22. Okay, 22. Yes.
Malats. And there is no other evidence against him, Malats.
Yes.
That's how. And the story of the prosecution is they had some previous enmity over some land dispute and things like that, but nothing concrete is coming forward.
Yes.
And the first FIR was registered under section 363 against some unknown person. Then my charge sheet was submitted under section 302, 201, 364. This is the 11 years child. After incident was taken place on 22/7/2020. Then after the present petitioner, he was fled away from the village and from Bhubaneswar, he was arrested on he was apprehended on 23/8/2020.
After 1 month ago.
My lord.
Yes.
And then my PM report is that there is a compression of neck. And 4 numbers of injuries on the neck and face is there. Leading to discovery, the pant set of the deceased, that the child, it was recovered from the present petitioner. That is leading to discovery, pant set of the and the reason is that there is some family dispute. What she said. Some villagers, their last seen theory is that the petitioner and the deceased, they went to the.
What is the stage of the trial?
The trial has not started.
22.
Yes. My lord, that instruction will take whether trial was started or not, because 22 he was arrested on since 2022. Trial must have been beginning.
No.
My instructions are trial has not started.
The FIR was when charge was filed?
That was submitted on 31/3/2023.
31st?
3/2023.
Madam, petitioner is accused in so case. He is in custody since 22/8/2023. Well, 22. Meanwhile, charge sheet has been filed on 31/3/2023. Mr. Hon'Ble and counsel for the petitioner submit that trial has not yet commenced. Since the petitioner is in custody since more than 2 years, and as stated by Mr. Hon'Ble, has not yet commenced. A report, the trial court, which is the trial court?
Trial court is
the trial court is trial court. Sessions Judge, additional Sessions Judge, Burger.
Yes.
Is directed to submit the status report of the trial and reason of the delay in the commencement of the trial in CT case number 5/08 of 2023, arising out of FIR number Sadar PS case number 227 of 2022. Leave the matter after. Because you may get the benefit of the Ravi Prakash judgment. So therefore, let us see.
Yes.
Why if it is delayed, which is not attributable to you,
yes,
then you may get paid. Let us see.
Okay.
Yes.
I will protest to after
After vacation. Date you will give a date. Yes. Yes. Number time to give. Yes.
Alisa also 302.
I see.
Yes.
FRM 16/2023.
23.
My lord.
You are in custody since
16/10.
16/10.
2023.
Okay.
Charge sheet on 14/2/2021.
14/2/24. Yes.
Under section 302.
Yes.
Out of 19 witnesses, witnesses I have already filed, witnesses are already named. Prosecution to
Yes.
property.
Yes.
That custody period is not 16, that is 18/10/23.
18/10?
18/10/2023.
18/10. Okay.
Not 16. And informant was examined at period 1.
He supported. What are the evidence?
He was arrested that due to injury on the head and some stone and knife, it was seized from the spot. The disclosure statement is there and informant
Cross-examination of the
and statement matter made it madam. Disclosure statement. That Rajkumar Hembram madam. जे मो 18/10 तारीख आपन आगे बयान जे गौतम लहर पुलिस हेफाजत थाई मो सामना रे निज इच्छा स्वीकार कला जे एप्रिल मासरे दुर्गा प्रसाद नायक सहित गोटे झगड़ा होइतिला तेनु से थाना रे केस करथिला गत 14/10/23 तारिख रात्री दुर्गा प्रसाद गौतम रो दुकान दे जाउथबा बेले ताको डाकी की से देइथिबा केस रो समाधान करिया पई हनुमान मंदिर पछपटु को नेकी गले आमे दो जन सेटार कथाबार्ता हेबा समय दुर्गा गौतम रो स्त्री को खराब भाषा गाली देबार दुई जन मध्य पाटितुंड होला एवं दुर्गा गौतम को बाड़ी रे बाड़ेला दुई जन मध्य झगड़ा होतले ही दुर्गा गौतम रो डाहण कपाल रे डांपुड़ी देला तेनु गौतम राग पाखरे पड़िथिबा पत्थर तार मुंड को मारिला एवं छुरीरे तार मुंड को घोषि देला दुर्गा मरि जिबा परे तार सब को घोषाड़ी नै गोटे खाल रे पड़े
I will teach you that. No, they
disclosure statement
man kindly see informant. The two witnesses have already been examined. But a Rahul and Arun, another is Lalita Manhai. Yes. Both the witnesses are already. What are they? They are no informant and so other informant has stated that kindly see the who are the material witnesses? They have not been examined.
they are not material witnesses.
They are formal witnesses. They are not supposed to be seen. I have seen it. Man, kindly see the big fact and circumstance. The entire thing based on the informant's case. Who is the informant? Informant is the wife of the deceased. What is the name? Remember, husband is died on October. Let me exact. Waiting.
That is Rajkumar Hembram. Another one is Santosh Gabari Naik.
Santosh Rajkumar and the informant.
Informant was examined. PW1.
PW1. No. Okay.
Already examined.
Yes. PW1. Yes. She is not supported in the prosecution.
Already supported.
Yes, statement.
Supporting the prosecution. I have not lodged any missing report on the husband in the police station. It is not a fact. I have not.
PW1 now. Where is PW1? PW1 statement you have not filed.
I got information from the accused about lying of death of my husband on the spot. I had not contacted my husband and he did not return home from a morning on Saturday till 2 p.m. on of next day, Monday. The national army from Joda to Rao Rimuli is going by the spot. Villaipada market is opening from the spot from Hanuman temple. The road from Villaipada to Deojar is at some distance from spot. Police and other public were present on the spot. When I reached there is Villaipada outpost is walkable distance from my house. Police has not seized my mobile phone. Regarding this case, I cannot say directly who killed my husband, but suspected the accused to have killed my husband, as there was a case in between them. The fact that I have not stated before the police that there was a case between my husband.
But this what my lord, there is dispute that in the chief magistrate she has stated.
Now that there is a reason of suspect.
Due to that matter, that is the reason of suspect.
Let these other witnesses be examined. Otherwise, also witnesses were examined in September and your bail application rejected.
Four witnesses have already been examined.
Okay.
May paper comes on after vacation.
No, I see your bail application was rejected on April 2024. And thereafter in September, all these witnesses were examined. You remove your bail for trial court.
Already,
let the trial court examine all these things. What are
already examined this fact. Rejection copy on the certificate copy 23/4/2024.
Yes. Where is the occasion for the trial court to examine all the witnesses that are examined in September? Madam, after then, madam, petitioner is accused, the petition is accused by the order dated 23/4/2024, whereby bail plea has been rejected. Month of September, 2024, the three witnesses have been examined. Three witnesses have been examined. Out of them, the PW1 is the informant in the present case who supported the prosecution, whereas the other two witnesses, PW 2 and 3, have not supported the name. PW
supporting the prosecution
and not PW 2 and 3 being the formal witnesses, are the formal witnesses. Since the certain evidence has come on record subsequent to the rejection of the bail plea, the petitioner may renew the bail plea from the trial court. If such a bail plea is moved, the same shall be considered on the basis of the material available on record within 15 days. Within 15 days from filing the application. Let the trial court see all this case. Yes.
22.
Yes.
307. Telling with the order.
307. Custody.
Custody, madam, my claim, the informant has appeared and filed an affidavit that the health condition of the injured is not well. He is undergoing treatment. To that effect, my I will file an affidavit. He is moving freely in the village and leading his normal life.
The informant has filed an affidavit dated. Affidavit dated.
Affidavit, my lord.
What is the affidavit?
My lord, affidavit can.
Affidavit dated. Rina, the affidavit dated. Okay, I understand it. Affidavit dated 21/5/2024. Mr. Tripathi, the counsel for the petitioner, seeks an adjournment to file a reply to the said affidavit. Please see matter. What you are in custody for how many years?
April, since April.
Let this injured be examined.
No, my lord, I will file affidavit. 307, what I'm actually is right, what is solution, my lord. I
See, there are now affidavit.
I will frame an affidavit. I have simple 07 only Assam party will also see whether he was well or not, that is different. If he was not well, then 302 will be made.
Yes.
Not so that
What is the assessment?
All the injuries were grievous in nature. The hatta ona hai the goda ona hai पछपटे मुझे 15 squeeze करती the anxiety भी हानि दिखती है threatening दिखती दिन में 2 टाइम वाली से माने 15 जन लोग प्लस 11 जन प्लस अन्य किसी लोग ऐसे की गाड़ी यूज कर जंपिंग भी करते हैं फायरिंग भी इंजरी दिखती है. Then,
how many injured patients are there?
3% are injured.
3 are injured.
3%
From the flight field.
No, anyway, he is asking for adjournment. He simply asking for adjournment to file reply to your affidavit. I am not granting bail, why do you worry?
Okay.
When the bail will be heard, I will hear it. Let him say whatever. But ideally, I will tell you, ideally, the victim may be examined. Thereafter, you will give the bail, he may support him. Ideally, also the same thing happen.
Surgery already.
Okay,
item 5, 06 of 2024. This is relating no connected with this question. By mistake. By mistake.
अच्छा तो ठीक है डिटेक्ट नो प्रॉब्लम डिटेक्ट हो ना डिटेक्ट हो अब कोई यूज हुआ लगे
5806 টা সেটা
नो नो 1 मिनट
অলরেডি ট্যাগ আছে
नहीं ऑलरेडी टैग ना
তিন ট্যাগ
ABAPL number 5806 of 2024
5806 অলরেডি ডিসপোজ অফ দ্যাট রিজেক্টেড সেটা আসছে
ठीक है सब and you file while filing affidavit you must mention what are the antecedents.
Yes, so far antecedent my lord three antecedent, one antecedent 2011 is the acquitted.
Whatever you mention that in the affidavit.
Again.
Mention that in. Yes. Yes, copy will be. Problem. Number, first week number, huh? First week number.
May 28. ପୂର୍ବର ଗୋଟେ ସତ ଗୋଟେ 28.
28 but the same order will be there.
Change ହେଇପାରେ.
23.
May please. Now, what is the stage of the trial, by the way?
Yes, acid has been filed. No, actually କିଛି ହେଇନି.
Okay. ठीक है.
23.
May I please? Well, here the charge sheet has been filed under section 302. And the case is
Today all the matters are coming where bail should not be granted. Yes. Yes.
my lord, the petitioner is in custody since 27/7/2023.
27?
7/2023.
Okay.
My lord, here in this case, the incident took place in the month of March, 26/3/2023.
Yes.
Month of March. And FIR was launched on 26/7/2023. After 4 months.
4 months.
4 months. The case is that, my lord, the present petitioner and the deceased. The deceased is an old man, and the deceased used to hire the auto rickshaw of the present petitioner regularly. And on the same day also, one of the family member, he has stated that the petitioner को डाकिले ताको ऑटो में बस के समय यूनियन को जिबाको भागले बोले. So
Bhaskar is the deceased.
Bhaskar is the deceased.
And you are SK Farooq.
Okay. That is the only incriminating material, that say Asawala nahi bola. And during investigation, the charge sheet has been submitted, and Lordship may kindly peruse. Apart from that, there is no other materials. Apart from that, there is only confession of the present accused before police. And
confession 27 last inquiry, these are the things format.
Yes. And last thing, that part has been modified by the investigating authority in the charge sheet. Lordship may kindly see page 26.
Okay. 26, huh?
26, page 26.
Yes.
From the middle portion, the Lordship will pick it.
Yes.
However, the family members of deceased,
deceased Bhaskar Chandra Sahu,
family members of the deceased Bhaskar Chandra Sahu stated that they have seen both of them while leaving Jaipur towards Umurkot by an auto during registration number available CCTV of Borivunda Main Road, Navarampur Main Road, and Umurkot. But nothing can be detected about the proceeding of accused Sheikh Farooq and deceased.
that doesn't mean that they will not proceed. CCTV footage is there.
But from the CCTV footage from the area, it could not be ascertained.
That doesn't mean that the last inquiry is washed out.
And apart from that, there is no other material. After the body out,
And if they moved towards Jaipur, and there was no point looking at Navarampur and Umurkot, from where they were coming.
no, they, as per the statement, they, ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ
Where from they are going? From Umurkot?
no, ସେମାନେ ଜୟପୁରରୁ ଅମରକୋଟ ଯିବାକୁ ବାହାରିଲେ.
From Jaipur, yes. Yes.
ସେଗୁଡାକୁ ଯାହା ଯୋଉ ସିସିଟିଭି ଯୋଉ ଚେକ୍ କଲେ ସେମାନେ ସେଗୁଡା ସବୁ ରିଲିଭେଣ୍ଟ ବାଟ. And apart from that, there is no other matter. The concession of the petitioner.
Deceased is a retired teacher. Always he used, due to his health condition, always he used the auto, his auto driver,
Yes.
his auto of the present petitioner. A minor missing report on that day, on 26/3/23, when the deceased and present petitioner, they are moved towards Jaipur to Umurkot. On that day, the family members have seen that the deceased has gone with the present petitioner. Then he was not returned. A missing report was filed on 26/3/2023. Why delay in FIR matter?
Yes, I understood it now.
There might have
In report. Yes.
Subsequently, my lord, decomposed dead body was found in the Kotpara. That decomposed dead body, though there is a missing report, so DNA, they were family members have identified only the dress of the deceased that belongs to his family member. Subsequently, the DNA test was conducted. And DNA test, it was ascertained that the deceased is the family members of the informant. Then after the FIR was lost. That is the reason why the FIR was lost after 2 to 3 months, because of that reason. And last thing theory is, my lord, that family members, last thing, another, my lord, that the plastic bag of the deceased, it was seized from the present petitioner leading to discovery. And the motive is, my lord, that the petitioner, though he was close contact with that teacher, so he has taken the password and ATM card of the deceased. Subsequently, he withdraws 3 lakhs rupees from his account.
Then
Therefore, one case was also lost at Jaipur town during case number 57 of 2006 on 1/3/2023.
yes, sir.
And 26 he was, then 26 he was without.
You have withdrawn also money.
That is not there in the charge sheet, my lord. But my learned friend is submitting, that is not in the charge sheet document.
Another case is registered against you for that.
Another case was registered.
Lead to the material witnesses be examined. Lead to the good after material witnesses. Yes. Next.
24.
Yes.
Discuss for modification of order dated 13/9 manner.
Yes. What is the modification?
My lord, your lordship is granted bail to these petitioners on the ground that the Managed Court will has observed that except damage to the world there is no case under section 306, 307 is made of. And if your lordship glance to the order dated 13/9, page 3, paragraph 7, my lord says granted bail with such terms and conditions. Only reflected there, they are subject to verification of similar type of addition. But here, nowhere it was mentioned that if any similar criminal addition was found, this order shall not be given effect to. That was not reflected.
So, wow, this is a common condition, sir.
For that, my lord, number 1, 10 numbers of antecedent. Then I filed affidavit against the petition number 2, 6,
My lord, what the
3, 14 numbers of antecedent.
for that, my lord, the Managed Court is not entitled in this.
Have you rejected?
Yes.
You challenge that rejection also. No modification is required. For the reasons stated in the application, I am not able to
And the
modify.
it says the petitioner number is there.
Yes.
2 is 431.
But let it be rejected, then you challenge that. Yes. Wait, 25.
May please, madam.
The problem is when granting bail, you say that you go for any conditions. One condition of the import.
No, I have not stopped.
To stop granting bail, that's all. Around 10 antecedents are there still.
That is reflected in the order itself. What I should.
It's all right. I mean, now he will reject the bail application. Then you can challenge that.
Already rejected.
Challenge that. Okay.
May please, madam. The petition instead the custody since 24 madam for commission.
7 April.
Yes, ma'am. 7/4/24 madam. For commission of offense 20B2C. 68 kilograms of ganja, petitioner is the driver, madam.
68.
68 kilograms, madam.
Only person inside the vehicle, and he was only arrested on 7/4/24.
7/4/24.
The CD has come, CD, but investigation is going on. So let the charge sheet be submitted.
When 180 days will be over?
180 days, 7/4 so
Count.
10/4.
Huh?
7/4.
Logo the side. Adjourn kar do. Let the charge be filed. Yes.
But after vacation.
26.
26 my lord, 498 or 376.
Yes. 498, 370.
ଆଜ୍ଞା 2010 ରେ ବାହାଘର ହୋଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ମାଇନର ଥିଲେ ତାପରେ ଏବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଦିନ ବାହା ହେଲି ତ ମୁଁ 2ଟା ଛୁଆ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିମୋନିଆଲ ଡିସ୍କର୍ଡ ହେଇକି ମତେ ଘରୁ ବାହାର କରିଦେଲେ
Yes.
Notice ଟା ସର୍ଭ ହେଇନି, complaint secretary ଅଛି.
Notice serving.
That is.
The notice, you serve notice at least.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ତ ଦେଇଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ ହେଲାଣି
IIC through IIC it has directed.
तू IAC डायरेक्टर इतला ऑफिस पावतो का 26 डायरेक्शन
IIC has the IIC done it?
I will take instruction. Let it be taken up on Monday, Tuesday, my lord, I will take instruction.
On Tuesday. No, where was there a direction on that?
ऑफिस पावतो का इतला 26 नंबर कुठे इतला.
No, where is that? That direction to the IIC? Was there any direction? Yes. Recording bench is directed 28/5/2024. August 24. Direction was there.
My lord, Tuesday, I will.
Tuesday. Yes. To just ask the IIC. Yes.
27.
Please, my lord.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Here the petitioner is a student who has been implicated in a case under section 420 and other allied offences, 467, 468 and 71, and 3, 4 and 5 of the Price Chits and Money Circulation Planning Act. And the allegation is that if informant and his other family members had paid him money which he has failed to return, my lords. The affair is at page
Yes.
13, my lords.
Yes.
Now, I was granted interim bail by this court, my lords,
Yeah.
on 28/5/2024 to appear at my exams, and that was extended till 37/2024. When I surrendered, and thereafter again I was released on interim bail. With a direction to surrender, I have surrendered accordingly. And out of the money that has been alleged to have been paid to me, my bank accounts also reveal that the entire amount has been paid back to the persons who have invested.
You are in custody since 7?
I surrendered, my lords, on last Friday, I believe.
Last Friday.
On 1/10/2024.
1/10/2024.
24.
Okay. Okay.
I have annexed that order sheet.
Yes.
IUA 1334 of 2024.
Up to 21. Yes. What are the allegations?
That is the allegation, but the investigation is going on. Charge sheet has not even filed. So, my lord, I have taken instruction from the IO. That was the point here mentioned why the petition will be given the
Custody. Required custody.
The institution will be prejudiced, my lord, why that reason he has stated. I have marked, tick mark I have given, my lord, only that reason your lordship. Let the charge sheet be submitted.
Submitted here.
Also, I am a student of XIA. My uncle is a practice lawyer here. One of my grandfathers was an advocate general of this court.
Yes, right.
Sorry. Total investments by these people is 59,52,210. They have been paid back 81,37,765 by December 2023. And that is reflected in my bank statement.
Out of all this, only the number of it has a relevance. Otherwise, all
My lord,
he will influence, he will flee away and all this.
no, only the which I have marked. My lord, this is the instruction of the me. I will take what is the receipt.
He was granted twice interim bail.
That is for examination purpose.
Whatever, right. No, I have not misused it. And now he is already in the custody since when? 110 right now. And you tell me when you will complete the investigation. IIT to complete the investigation, tell me.
Complete and detailed instruction I will.
Written instruction, at the moment the charge will be filed, I am granting bail.
My lord.
Do it fast. When can you do it?
Lordship may taken up after vacation. Ninth.
9th of this month. 9th. Mr. Vishal and responsible for the state to sue to seek instruction regarding the timeline for filing the charge sheet.
That year 1334 में life remain pen.
Otherwise, grant interim bail and he will cooperate with you. But that Instagram thing is only the thing which is required to do. Yes. Yes.
28. May I please?
Here, my lord, I don't want to press the IA for interim bail, my lord. I'll submit on merit.
Yes, sorry.
I don't want to press the IA, my lord, interim bail, my lord.
IA. Offense is
37621, 3763,
what is your use?
506, sir.
What is your use? Oh, I number?
I number 1156 of from.
Yes. You verified.
I don't want to press that.
Only the medical document, you only annexed one prescription. Nothing else.
I don't want to press that application.
Is he entitled for regular bail? You tell me.
Right.
Is he entitled for regular bail or not? If he is entitled, I will grant regular bail. Why not?
I only submit, my lord. I have filed the deposition copy of the victim, my lord, who has been examined as PW1.
Victim.
My lord.
So,
At flag A2, my lord.
okay. So,
I am referring to the only to the para 27 last page, my lord. Phase 8. Internal phase 8.
yes.
Para 27. It is the fact that I was in law relationship with the accused from my side also, and I wanted to marry him. And that case against Ayan out of anger due to refusal by the family members of Ayan from the marriage. Where I will para 27, my lord. Last page of the question.
The fact that I was involved with him. Accused of
Cross examination. He's alleging, he's a major Dalmail. He's alleging that from the last 5 years, the accused had been keeping physical. What do you say with on
He has given allegation that for last 5 years when she was a minor. At that time, he has kept.
You are entitled to regular bail. Why are you your problem? I am granting a regular bail. Right of it. The petitioner is accused in so and so. This allegation is the victim has been examined as PW1 in the present case. She in her cross examination has stated as under para 27. Para 27. The perusal of the evidence brought on record indicates that the petitioner who has been in a relationship with the victim, they for how many years?
For last 5 years.
The petitioner had been in relationship with the victim since last 5 years. Since the petitioner has assured the victim to marry, they had sexual relationship. This aspect of the matter is also emanating from the evidence, deriving from the statement of the witnesses recorded under 161 CRPC. Petitioner is 40 days. Petitioner is 20, and whereas the victim is present 23 years. 23 years old. The petitioner is in custody since
21/5/2024.
21/5/2024. 2024. तापर लिख दो सी paragraph के granted bail. Yes.
Published.
29.
And with all conditions, you will not be in touch with and all three. Yes.
May I please my approval was there last 2 years. The lordship 306.
306.
My lord.
Yes.
The postmortem report indicates it is a suicide, my lord. Suicidal hanging. No bodily injury.
Husband.
He's a auto driver.
Custody.
No body.
Custody 26 to 2024.
ना 25 दिन. 26.
24. Huh?
My lord.
Yes.
And my lord, when the doctor opinion that when the patient was taken to hospital on 24, on that day, she was gasping, my lord.
She was
gasping.
Okay.
That is the
Gasping.
gasping.
Yes.
That is a gasping. And the reason, my lord, that reason is that our mental torture.
All those things are there. But he will,
And
it is strangulation. Strangulation or what?
Strangulation.
Then
That is hanging. The complainant stated that both were in the house at that time.
no. Show me some evidence where you were not there. In the,
Complainant.
or it bolted the door from inside or something else.
The was taken to hospital, so there is no question of bolting.
Obviously, yeah.
And the complainant, I am reading the relevant portion. যে কালি 24/2/14 ରେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 7
Complaint is the mother of the victim. No father.
ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସେଠୀ
ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ସେଠୀ ହେଲେ
ବାପା
ବାପା
ଯେ ମତେ କହିଲା କି ଚନ୍ଦନ ମଦ ପିଇକି ମତେ ପିଟାମରା କରୁଛି। ଏହା ଶୁଣି ମୁଁ ମୋ ପୁଅ ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସବୁ ମିଶି ଚନ୍ଦନ ଘରକୁ ଆସିଲୁ। ଚନ୍ଦନ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନର। ସେଠାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଦେଖିଲୁ ଯେ ମୋର ଝିଅକୁ ଚନ୍ଦନ ସେଠୀ କାଠରେ ବହୁତ ମାରପିଟ କରିଛି ଏବଂ ତାର ହାତ ଗୋଡ ଫାଟି ଯାଇଛି। ଆମ୍ଭେ ମୋର ଝିଅକୁ ବୁଝାସୁଝା କରି ମୋର ଝିଅ ଘରକୁ ଆଣିଲା ବେଳେ ଚନ୍ଦନର ବଡ ଭାଇ ସିଏ ଆସି ବୁଝାସୁଝା କରି କହିଲେ ବୋଉକୁ କୁଆଡେ ଆମ ଘର ତୁମେ ନେଅ ନାହିଁ, ଯାହା ହୋଇଛି ମୁଁ ସବୁ ବୁଝିମି, ତୁମେ ଘରେ ରୁହ। ଚନ୍ଦନର ବଡ ଭାଇଙ୍କ କଥା ଶୁଣି ଆମେ ଝିଅକୁ ବୁଝାଇ ଘରକୁ ଆସିଲୁ। ଆମ୍ଭେ ଘରକୁ ଆସିବାର ଚନ୍ଦନ ବଡ ଭାଇ ମତେ ଫୋନ କରି କହିଲେ ତମ ଝିଅ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ, ତୁରନ୍ତ ଆସି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଦେଖିଲି ଯେ ଝିଅ ମରି ପଡିଛି। କହିଲେନି କି ଆମେ ଚନ୍ଦନ ସେତେ ମାଡ଼ ଗୋଳ ଚନ୍ଦନ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମାଡ଼ ଗୋଳ ସେତେବେଳେ କହିଲି ଆପଣ କେମିତି ପୁଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଥାଟା। ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଚନ୍ଦନ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଦେଖିଲୁ ମୋର ଝିଅକୁ ଚନ୍ଦନ ସେଠି କାଠରେ ବହୁତ ମାରପିଟ କରୁଛି। ସାର୍ ବାଡେଇଛି ହାତ ରହିଛି ଆମେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲୁ। Same day. Now postmortem report doesn't say any injury.
Postmortem.
Postmortem report date is due to asphyxia, death of hanging.
Body
Pressure abrasion on the neck.
କାଠରେ ପିଟିଛନ୍ତି ଫାଟି ଯାଇଛି। ବଡି କଣ କଲେ ଆଉ କଣ
Injury ନାହିଁ।
injury then
And I respect next person.
right on. Petitioner is accused in fraud. The allegation against the petitioner. The informant, the informant is the in the FIR all these things is written, who has beaten up and all. Oh, that is even like in the FIR. All this is you read it 161. 160 statement of the informant, the father of the deceased, was recorded under 161 CRP sheet. He in his statement has stated that on the date of incident, he along with the other family members had gone to the petitioner's house. That his daughter was beaten up by the petitioner beaten up by petitioner by a wooden plank and firewood. କାଠ ଫାଳିଆ ଟା wooden plank only. Wooden plank and seriously injured. When they were trying to take her back, the elder brother of the petitioner convinced them and settled the issue. They left their daughter in the in-laws house and went back. On the same day, they got the information from the family member of the petitioner that the victim has committed suicide. Relying upon the aforesaid statement, the counsel for the state submits that the immediate on the same day the petitioner has stated to have assaulted the victim. However, perusal of the medical evidence reveals that no such bodily injury is found on the person of the deceased. Except the ligature mark. The cause of death is what is that?
Asphyxia as a suicidal hand.
Asphyxia due to commission of suicide. It is since 26 2024. 24. 24. Regarding head to the period of custody and nature of acquisition and the evidence collected by the police. And charge sheet is filed. Charge sheet which forms of part of the charge sheet. I am inclined to enlarge the petition on bail with the condition. Yes.
30.
Yes.
My lord, your shares offense on section 420 and 506 and the financial transaction of the more than 8 crores.
More than
8 crores, let's see. My lord, your lordship, you can add 420 to 94 5 crores. I mean, 24 4 2024.
24.
4 2024.
Yes.
My lord, I have given a death check.
Yes.
But offense in this case, 15/3/2012 matter. Your lordship, my lord. The petitioner has invested some amount in the informats company, my lord. He has not returned the same. For which on 7/12/2015, the petitioner has filed one CC case against the informant.
Yes.
Which is pending till date. Next, my lord, 25/2023, my lord. The petitioner has filed some matter, my lord, into tenant dispute. He has went to the police station and filed an FIR. But IAC misbehaved. So on 19/2/2024, my lord, the petitioner approved.
Yes.
Thereafter, the petitioner approved this honorable court in CLMP, and as per the direction, he has filed a complaint case on 22/3/2024.
Against the IAC.
Against the IAC.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, 1 to you have written that 1 to 7 cases. All the cases he has lost the one after another in against me on the same.
No, just now come to the cases.
My lord.
The first case is 3/4/2024. Prior to 3/4/24.
3/4/2022 3/2024 में वो FR लॉस के लिए कंप्लेंट केस IAC
25.
हाँ 23/2024.
23 is there.
My lord.
24.
Within one with सब तक
And he is the in the same police station.
same police station.
Yes.
And what happened in this case, my lord? Prior to the registration of these cases, my lord, there are cases pending against the accused, my lord. In connection with that, my lord, he has searched that case, my lord. And in order to escape that case, my lord, he has filed false FIR before the 1/6 case, my lord. Then my lord came to this court and filed CLLP case. That case ended with the false report, my lord. Again, he approached the Human Rights Commission, my lord. In the Human Rights Commission, my lord, that has been dropped, my lord. That has been dropped, my lord. Both dropped, my lord. What happened in this case, my lord? The accused, my lord, is a mastermind and committed a fraud more than 8 lakhs. Not only this type cases, my lord, short type cases, my lord. Even he
How many cases are against him?
My lord, cases, my lord.
Your lordship,
Why?
I'm giving the check. And a second case in 2012, that was final fraud. Thereafter, in 2012,
The same IAC is still there or
so it was final.
Yes.
2012.
Then how many cases you are on bail?
On 41 police वाला छाड़ 41 case my lord, this is a if your lordship go through the FIR manner to present press past the 5799 the is the allegation of document and class page 12
The total fraud is 5 crores.
yes से सब लिख दो ये भी FIR का अपन कितने गुस्से मिनट करने देखो
Yes.
page 12
Yes.
the informant has given me firstly 10 lakhs in 2015.
Yes.
Thereafter, in 15/5/2015, he gave another 10 lakhs. After 15 days, he giving 6 lakhs against me. When I have lost the complaint case, my lord. And when we lost the affair in 2024, after 9 years, he has waited and I lost the affair. After 9 years. And he has given 6 lakhs, as per the 58 lakhs without any bank document. Without any bank document.
He's given for what?
For my license, my lord, the curiosity deal kariya transfer karabu.
Ramesh Chandra Padi. 15 lakhs in production. 20 lakhs. Say 15.
58 lakhs, last line, my lord, test 12. 31 लक्ष बाद 27 लक्ष मोट 58 वर्ष प्राथमिक अंचल ठीक रोचनी लाइसेंस आमको मिल नथिला.
Yes.
अब एटा 24 रे.
And who all are the complainant in other cases? Before 17 18 different
teacher different actually the पांचटा केस अछि 5799 and 5796 एटा arising out of same case.
नहीं, I am talking about the Soro cases. All the Soro cases and the complainants. Different complaints. You have taken from everyone. You have taken.
सब से 17 18 19 रो आ सेतर मन रीट पिटिशन फाइल होइছে सालकर चाकरी पाई साल पार्टी अछन मो एथु गोटे एक्यूज रो रीट पिटिशन पार्टी होछि दिस अगर डायरेक्टर दी रजिस्ट्री ऑपरेशन टू कंसीडर दैट सब सेटा फाइल करबी तो तुम सब केस वास कभी गाइबा तो हम
No. In this case, you are entitled to go, but for your conduct. Yes.
19 allegation. 2019 allegation.
Yes.
Highway to 13.
Yes.
So lordship, that is Soro PS 13.
3 years.
That's good. 490, 420, 468 minor. It is not a charge sheet. I got you left me kind of consider.
Yes.
My lord, Sanjay Kumar Konda, he was certain more access bank of beginners of the country, usual Masaka Kama continues. More access bank of Target of Bhavan Sakar Das, Lokinder Das, some sort of Sakatula. कर्मचारी भवन के पिता लक्ष्मीधर दास सहित साक्षात करे आम मान सरकारी लक्ष्मीधर दास चाकरी कला सोरे रमेश पाड़ी साक्षात रमेश पाड़ी सचिवालय कार्य मुख्य सचिव आदित्य प्रसाद पाड़ी
What happened to all the cases? Why do you need the custody now?
What happened? He has been arrested in one case and remanded
in all the cases.
In the part of the entire background, my lord, yesterday I called the IU, my lord. He has come to the office, my lord. The entire thing is available in the pen drive, my lord. He has also submitted the pen drive before the trial court, my lord. Video recording is there, audio, video recording is there, my lord, in the trial court, my lord. Also given a copy, my lord. What happened? This man, my lord, the Ramesh Chandra Padi, he opening a office and contacted the first persons, 80 unemployed boys, my lord. And in order to give them service, they called them to secretary, my lord. Managed to, my lord, second secretary, he issued pass, my lord, so far AC mechanics, name AC mechanics, others, my lord, and taken them to secretary. And the secretary, my lord, shown a file that the notation there, you will get job, my lord. Thereafter, she taken money from different persons in order to give them job in the cooperative bank, my lord. Thereafter, this man, what happened? Obtain signature from all the persons who wanted to give service, my lord. And this man, my lord, this Ramesh, highly detailed before this only court. This only court directed the construct, my lord, bank to dispose of their persons, my lord. Actually, there is no such advertising, nothing, my lord. When that has come, my lord, this man came to picture, my lord. Thereafter, I was saw the petitioner one after another case registered against him, my lord. And he cheated not only my lord, this person, my lord, other persons also there on the Kyonzor and other district, my lord. And that respect, my lord, the IOC got a video clipping. These persons, when somebody witnesses a 1 kg office, my lord, they manage, my lord, out of fear, they.
And all the cases are in the Soror district?
Soror district, my lord. Where is his office there, madam? Another court is there, madam. Pending, madam. Madam. That is small, madam. Persons that if they give the money, then this man will.
This is a completely organized crime. We have been doing it regarding all this, whatever you are saying, you file an affidavit. Let SP of Soror.
Yes.
Because he has all the cases in Soror district. SP Baleswar, sorry. Baleswar SP.
Any video keeping, my lord, one I have yesterday, my lord.
Part of record and see. No. It is a part of recording any of these cases.
This case, man. So, that is one video to me. There
Part of the charge sheet.
that's from the charge sheet, my lord. And Section 65 Evidence Act, that time, that same I same I
investigation of therefore I am directing the SP to file an affidavit. Right. SP, the superintendent of police, regarding the nature of the deduction and the fact that the petitioner many cases, and the allegations are that he has been committed crime in an organized manner, and he has approached more than 15 cases have been taken. Consolidated petitioner to commit and detail regarding the LTP of the petitioner leaves the matter after vacation. Yes. Next.
Advocate Mr. Mahapatra.
I fix it. It's not true. Yes.
Advocate Mr. Mahapatra, he states for his item number 44. It's a fresh revision matter. He has come up against an order rejecting his disapplication. The petitioner is the wife of the main accused, Abate Morse. And in fact, there's an application also by which an application for condemnation bill has been appended now. देखो this matter here bas next day
dispose of it. That is a cover case.
Forget about delay in merit, let us see small delay.
I think
Are you operating delay?
no. I'm not sure fixed date. So
delay condone issue notice. I'm just delay condone issue notice. Yes.
and then
After vacation, we 21
insisting because there is no stay. To be your any petition, highly liberal consider.
application. Yes.
But if hearing is item number 57, I got it there. It's taken up
After vacation, 57.
And see, there 49, 50 and 51. 49, 50 and 51. 49, 50 and 51.
These are old matters.
22 matters, madam. 22 there, 50 and 51 are 22 and 49 is 18. Immediately after vacation, madam.
Now, wherever there are entry model, I give immediately after vacation.
Yes, entry model is there in all the cases.
All the cases of 2011. What are the matters?
Total 22.
Or 22 matters, no problem. Now, I am talking about
18.
2011 and all.
11, 18, 49, 50, 51.
49, huh?
50 and 51.
2018, 49.
Item 30.
Immediately after vacation, bachcha. Immediately after vacation. ठीक है.
And item number 42 was here, which can be taken up, I have no objection, but
42.
immediately after you are seeing whether it can be taken.
Same thing. He also.
42. Yeah.
42 and 43.
Item 38 minor.
Hmm.
And these two matters are analogous to this matter. Three matters will be listed on Monday or Tuesday as your lordship's like. Item 38.
What is this matter?
Cancellation of bail, another two same proceedings, connected matter, all the material documents.
Cancellation bail is not very urgent. Look it after vacation. No.
These two matters are connected to that.
Hmm.
After.
Are you sure that it's connected? Many time what happens, you tag it, subsequently discover that.
I'm sure I am filing this case.
Okay. I'll take with this matter in list. Yes.
Please after vacation.
38. Yes. Anything else?
31.
Please, your lordship. Yes.
My lord, the petitioner was arrested
This is the last bill of
on 9/3/2024.
When instruction has not come.
Yes.
Also, 31 actually health condition and nursing home is gone. But instruction has not come on Monday 20.
My lord, if it's further delay, if it's your lordship may not decide the matter at all because you'll be dead. He's suffering from such issues, such medical emergency.
There's happening of the 3 crores, 84,000 from the.
Only person and today I am reading newspaper, I am also entitled to my lord 21. Live with dignity.
Show me the medical.
Medicals are page 6 rate.
Page 6 of which 204
application. In fact, each is our petition number Daichi. When people lordship looks at the medical card,
Yes. 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 Yes.
To your lordship called for a report.
Yes, report, 1 minute. Oh, that matter. That matter report. Insurance. Report. Report ಮಗಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ report আসি কেন পড়লি দেখুন
According to the special judge,
like me,
the hen came first and the egg came later.
is the two accidents. 20? 27th or 3 was Sachi, भैया just in the selection, in one reference, there is no reflection actually filing of report has come. No timing is there. 167 directly is entitled.
But when in the rejection hearing, the PO has stated that the charge sheet was submitted. So I am not inclined to release him on bail.
You may say whatever, before he is agreeing.
Madam.
You have not applied demand at all. If the charge sheet is filed and he accepted 26th, without mentioning the time. He has filed on the same day.
But on the first day from the beginning, I also stated that he is entitled for bail. Only my query was that.
Now it is confirmed.
And Lordship may grant him. And another prayer is my lord that your Lordship may issue a direction to all the session judges that when they will be dealing with such type of cases, man, why the reason
Directions are there already. Why am I minimum thing? You know, when the charge sheet is filed, they should write particularly when the charge sheet is filed on the 1/8th day, the 1/80th day, they should write the time also.
My lord. Because it will close the nexus between the police and the accused persons.
It may be the other way also.
No, my lord.
Backdated law, the other way, things are also happening. Therefore, the magistrate has to be careful about it.
And all will be checked. Magistrate will be checked and the police will check. Accused will also.
In this case, unfortunately, magistrate has not put the time. If that time magistrate would have done it, all the problem has not happened. I don't.
Therefore, you also may issue direction to all the sessions.
These are minimum things. Every time any general order is passed, it will be placed before the full court and then it will be communicated to them. I don't know when it will be. All this would not if time would have been written. Magistrate was receiving it 26th. So and time. Finish.
If time will be there, it will be checked. Because it is you also block the nexus between the police and the.
I'll pass the job. I'll pass the job. Yes. I'll pass. Yes. Anything? No, then you tell me one thing. 167(2), if you release, can there be a condition? There can't be any condition. It's complete release, simple release. I'm not giving bail that I am the mercy of the court that this condition, that condition. Because if you are fault, he is being released. To treat the statutory release, no condition can be imposed. So simple statutory right. It's the statute now.
Look at Mr. Mishra.
Only prayer is that may be communicated. This order of your lordship.
My lord, item 39.
Yes, sir.
I'm ready with the case, but because my lordship should be rising now, I'm filing I appeared today.
Okay.
Item 39.
Yes.
It can be taken on Monday as the.
Monday may not be possible because
lordship will come
After lunch, if your lordship, then today, I'm.
Up to your lordship. Let it be next week.
My lordship
will be very heavy day. But there are many other matters will take more than 2 minutes.
but mine will be less than 2 minutes.
Why do you take charge that day? Because it will be more than 100 matters.
Okay, then.
So let it be 2 days sometime.
This was
56.
it was the first case mentioned. I don't mention
Morning.
senior advocate Mr. Mishra appeared for the petition. Interim order is there.
So that way he wants immediately after vacation, interim order to continue. Interim order to continue immediately after vacation. 26. Okay. Yes, sir. 34.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
My lord, Monday, your lordship is saying you have it Tuesday.
34 is bail. Bail matter only. Tuesday, Monday, all bail matter will be registered next week. Monday or Tuesday, huh? Monday. Okay. Bail matter will be item 40.
Item 40, I filed a memo for withdrawal.
Yes, sir.
Item 9 that was passed over and the meeting was in VC, my lord, on that time.
I'll take it up immediately.
Before item 39, that your lordship fixed to Tuesday, your lordship may direct objections if any be filed in between. Because that's a cancellation of bail.
When they don't file objection, why are you waiting?
No, because they will take time on that ground again.
And he's there. He's enough. Without paper also he's enough. Objection is enough.
Item 48 matter. Item 48, a business matter. Here, liberty may be granted to file discharge petition when the certain incomes were not taken by the IO during. Yes, sir.
You have challenged cognizance.
I have challenged compliance and also I have filed certain income tax returns. Though the income tax authority has imposed fine, these incomes are not taken by the authority. So I just simply